you? You okay? Oh, baby. What are you doing, ma'am?
He's not quitting, he's just taking a mandatory union-regulated nap break right before the finish line. This pup has officially decided that agility is a suggestion and horizontal living is his true calling. He's not sleeping, he's just deeply contemplating the company's Q4 nap projections. While the owner is stuck in a meeting, this pup is demonstrating the perfect form for a work-from-home burnout.
Nah, Brazil is different, bro. What? Look at this guy smoking a joint with his dog on his head.
У вас собака писит. Молодец. Мальчишка
He's not
пиздит.
being lazy, he's just practicing efficient hydration for the elite couch potato athlete. This pup has officially mastered the art of living his best life without ever having to break a sweat or leave his bed.
We're going home.
Surface area. Clean the...
Here's the perfect mop. Let's go, we're going home.
He's not being difficult, he's just currently negotiating for 3 more laps around the block and a victory steak. This pup has officially entered statue mode, and unless that leash leads to a toy store, he's not going anywhere.
Oh. What? You've only had like what, 4 naps? It's awful tough. Come on, get up. Come on, up. Sherman, come on, up. Come on, up. Sherman, come on, up. Wait. Come on, up. Come on. Come on.
Security is currently on a very strict, self-imposed no-movement strike. These pups aren't guarding the snacks, they're just waiting for a customer to trip over them and drop a chip.
Esse cachorro é muito à toa, gente. Quem aguenta? Quem aguenta?
Meu Deus do céu, esse cachorro tão bonitinho! Esse cachorro tão bonitinho!
Vamos.
Vamos. Ya, vamos. Vamos. Milo.
Why use 4 legs when you can just use 0 and slide into your day like a fluffy pancake? This pup has officially retired from walking and is now pursuing a full-time career as a household toboggan. He's not being lazy, he's just practicing for the Olympic grass luge. This pup has officially retired from walking and has embraced gliding as his primary mode of transport.
Really, come on, mate. Come on.
That's a hard no from the fluff department. He's using 100% of his body weight to prove that the walk only ends when he says so. And right now, he says, we're staying right here.
Collapse and die because you don't want to do something, buddy. I know, we all wish we could do that, but we can't because of society.
He's not sleeping, he's just doing a very intense gravity-assisted meditation on the floor tiles. 1 minute he's a vigilant guard dog, and the next he's a furry little shutdown sequence.
你说一个狗能懒到什么程度？也就这样了吧。
不知道也跟他死了似的。人那个头睡觉就得插晚上，渴了随时喝2口，再晚喝1口，他能给自己渴死是吧？
So wait. Brother, look back.
Well, help him.
So I have to take his back legs and push him up.
He's not just lazy, he's pioneering the horizontal hydration movement for busy pups who can't be bothered to stand. This Corgi has officially decided that gravity should do all the work while he keeps his fluffy caboose comfortably parked.
Because I heard today was Joe's birthday, and I said, you know, now that was a definite. And I can't go enough to forget about some of those medications, very rich countries that expected me to be there.
Uncle Rita told me last month that
That's ridiculous. You just sleep and... No. Stay here, don't you? Come on. This is silly. This is silly, baby. Come on, this is silly.
Thanks for watching our Lazy Dog Olympics. Remember, if your dog isn't moving, they aren't being stubborn. They're just currently in battery saver mode.